Hey guys, it's Arya back here with another video, and yeah, so I've come up with a new PC build for 70k, and for those of you who have asked for the PC build for around 70,000 range, this is the video for you. Or if you're wanting to build a PC for 70,000, just the PC alone, no monitor, keyboard, mouse, this, that, just the PC alone, 70k, if you're ready for it. Okay, so now for the parts of the PC. For the processor, I went for the Intel Core i5 7500, which is a very decent quad-core processor and is an upgrade from the i5 6500. And from what I've seen on Amazon and the IT repo, the price difference is just like 5 rupees, 10 rupees. So I thought, okay, why not 7th generation? Why not go for the new latest generation processors? So I went for the 7500. Okay, so now for the motherboard, where you keep your processor in the motherboard. Okay, so now for the motherboard, I went for the ASRock H110M HDV motherboard. So you guys must be wondering, why did I go for a H110 motherboard? Micro ATX, very less features, one PCIe slot, one fan header, this, that, only 2 RAM slots. So for 70,000 you can get an amazing motherboard. You will see why I went for the H110 motherboard if you keep watching. Okay, so now for the RAM for this build, you must be thinking, okay, he must have gone for 16 gigabytes of RAM, DDR4, 2400 megahertz, this, that. No, I went for the 8 gigabyte stick of HyperX Fury Black. If you don't think that 8 gigabytes of RAM is enough, which actually it is plenty, I'll link you to 2 videos down in the description. One from Salazar Studio, where he tests out 4 gigabytes and 16 gigabytes of RAM, how they do in gaming. And for video editing, you can check out Hardware Connect's video on their RAM video. They check out 8 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes and 16 gigabytes. So all that links in the description, and including the PC parts link in the description. So that's why I went for 8 gigabytes. So now for the power supply of this build, I wanted the 80 plus certified power supply or 80 plus bronze. It doesn't matter, it just needs to be 80 plus certified. So when I was searching through IT Repo, I found this Cooler Master Master Watt Elite Light, some long name, 600 watt power supply, 80 plus efficiency, and you get 600 watts for just 4,000 bucks. That's quite a good value, and since it's Cooler Master, I trust them. Okay, so now for the storage of this PC build for 70k, you must be wondering, okay, at least now you would have used an SSD or something which is typical. No, I used a 1TB Seagate Barracuda hard drive. Yeah, I know hard drives are slow, this, that, blah, blah, blah. But you know, it's basically, you don't have to follow this guide strictly as like what I say. You can tune it, you can fine tune it to your needs. Okay, so now for the case or the cabinet for this PC build. Again, I saved money, but I also wanted a side panel window to show the nice components and like highlight your PC build. So I went for the Corsair Carbide 100R mid-tower case. Don't get me wrong, this is still an amazing case. And yeah, I wanted you guys to show off your nice PC build, this, that. Okay, so now for what you guys have been waiting for what you guys have been wondering, why is he skipping out in so much of the parts, this, that. Since the Amazon Global Store has opened, they have released a GTX 1070 by Gigabyte G1 Gaming for 32,000, which I'm using in this build. GTX 1070 in a 70,000 rupee build. Whoa! When I saw this, I was like, what? 32k for a GTX 1070? That's almost GTX 970 price last year. I mean, like, whoa! So I had to use a GTX 1070 in the 70,000 rupee build, and since I saw that Bitwit video by Kyle, he made $1,000 PC he made a $1,000 PC which had a GTX 1070 in it. So I was wondering, even I should do that. So I got a GTX 1070 for 70,000 rupees, and this PC can game in 2K, 4K resolutions and edit like a boss. But the best part is that I made the budget just under 70k, so it's 69,956, something like that. So I know it's like 44 rupees like that, but still, so I was like very happy with that. But there are some things which I would like to include in this PC as optional, like a front case fan. I'm not sure if the Corsair case comes with a front case fan, so I linked one down in the description below. It's a Cooler Master fan. I know it seems like I'm a Cooler Master fanboy, but yeah, they make nice fans, so yeah, and I'm a fan. So yeah, and I included a D-Cool fan hub because the H110 motherboard has only one fan header, but even then the total cost comes in around 71,000, which is not bad. Just 1,000 rupees above the budget. I am very happy with this PC build, and I want to know your guys' opinion. Whether you're like, why didn't you include an SSD? You could have spent at least 3,000-4,000 on an SSD. Put the one in the description below, an SSD. And yeah, tell me your guys' opinion. And what more PC builds do you want to see in the future? I'll put a poll up there. Come right now. That will have some PC builds which you might want to see in the near future. And yeah, that's the 70,000 rupee PC build, and I'll see you guys in the next video.